Let me show you the fastest way to align text, images, and buttons inside MailerLite so your email campaigns look polished and professional every time. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by clicking inside any text block in your email layout. This will open the rich text toolbar directly above the block. Look for the alignment icon. It's the one that looks like a few stacked lines. Click on it and you'll see 4 options: left, center, right, and justify. For most body text, left alignment is the safest choice because it keeps your copy easy to scan and read. Justify can look clean for longer paragraphs, but be careful with narrow columns since it can create awkward gaps between words. Now let's move on to images. Click on the image block in your design to select it. You'll see a small pencil icon appear. Click that to open the settings sidebar on the right side of the screen. Under the settings tab, scroll down until you find the alignment section. Here you can choose left, center, or right alignment. A quick tip: centering an image works really well for hero shots or logos, while left or right alignment lets text wrap around it, which is great for product showcases or profile photos. Finally, let's tackle buttons. Click on the button block to select it, and you'll notice the settings panel appears on the right-hand side. Look for the button alignment options. They're usually near the top of that panel. You can choose to align the button to the left, center, or right of its containing block. Center alignment is the most common for call to action buttons because it draws the viewer's eye naturally, but left alignment can work nicely when you're pairing a button with left aligned text for a clean, consistent look. So there you have it. You now know exactly how to control alignment for text, images, and buttons inside MailerLite. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.